Super Simple Swap, a project that everybody in the community is waiting for. Everybody's super excited. And I'm here with Sören and Matheo, developers of the team that are working on this project. So Sören, can you explain what Super Simple Swap is?
Yes, Super Simple Swap is a standalone web app that where you can buy crypto, Nimiq and Bitcoin for euro by Oasis with any crypto wallet, not just Nimiq wallet itself.
Cool.
And since it uses Oasis, or it swaps via Oasis, 1% of each swap also gets locked and get taken off the market.
Very interesting. So this is probably going to be the easiest and simplest way to buy and sell crypto, because you also don't need to do any registration. Basically, you just, from your bank account, you can send the euro and purchase your Bitcoin and Nimiq, or sell also Bitcoin and Nimiq for euro.
Up to a certain limit.
Up to a certain limit, of course. And how are you working on this? How are you dividing the task related to this?
So I think I started it, I took most of the framework already from the Nimiq wallet code, right, and put it into this web app. And then you were mostly involved with the
UI and the UX. So everything that the user see and the user interact with, it's part of my work. Animation, transition, and everything that makes the app looks awesome.
all these fancy animations.
Yes.
What do you think about the design? Do you think it's how does it look?
It looks nice and compact.
Super simple.
Super simple. And from the work that you've been doing, Sören, is there anything interesting, some interesting challenges that you had to tackle?
Yeah, there were a few. Like, one of the things was that we couldn't just take the code out of the wallet, because the wallet is in the wallet the swap is very integrated, and it works directly with your balance that you have, and we know the balance that you have in the wallet, right? And we know the UTXOs that you have for Bitcoin in the wallet, which you can use, and how much fees it's gonna get, how much fees it's gonna be. But since the Super Simple Swap app is supposed to work with any wallet, and you can send from and get paid out to any wallet, we don't have this information, so we needed to have some extra logic to handle or to subtract and to add or handle the fees for transactions, and make sure that they are not included in the fee that gets displayed, because actually they are external. So that you always see the correct value that you have to send and value that you get out in the end.
Yeah, because of course Super Simple Swap does actual swaps. It's not like a centralized service.
No, it's a totally more or less client-side atomic swap.
So what's the current status, and what's the next steps for the community to know?
So right now the application is mostly working.
No, it is. It's pretty much working.
Working, yes. It looks nice. It feels nice, as well on mobile than on desktop.
Yes.
Now we're gonna have to test it, fix the bugs if there is some.
If there are any.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so we're starting pretty soon the private testing, and hopefully a more large testing with the community, and then finally the release.
Yes.
Very cool. So for everybody excited about this project, if you want to participate in the community testing, just send me a text or also leave a comment below, and we'll just create a group as always, and in the forum get feedback from everybody, start taking care of all the corner cases.
Yes.
And which there are always things to fine tune, but we really want this experience to be just the easiest way to buy and sell crypto. So thank you for joining me, and looking forward for it.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.